Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to change what you want from your dates in Bumble PC. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. In this video, what we're gonna look at is mainly how to update the filters. At the top left, you'll see your profile picture along with your name. Just click on the button right here. Then this page will open up, that's date profile. And right here, what we need to do is simply go to settings. Well, worry not, we're directly gonna go to settings and not confused with any others. Once you're at the settings page, well, there are lots of options like choose mode, snooze and everything. I'm just gonna scroll right down. And here you can see something like advanced filters. Click on the button right here. Then from here, as you can see, in this mode, we can select about 2 free filters. Right here, I'm just gonna scroll down. And here you can see something like looking for. I'm gonna click on this tab right here. It's gonna give me some options like no preference, relationship, something casual, don't know yet, or marriage. Well, the choice is up to you. Select whichever one you wish. I'm just gonna select this one. And guys, that's it. That's how we change what do you want from your dates in Bumble PC. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.